Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Now we will do chapter 6 subject and predicate exercise C. Underline the subject in the following sentences. First is Sohani was grateful to her teachers for their kind help. Now what you have to do, you have to underline the subject. Now here subject is Sohani. So we will underline Sohani. Subject means the doer who performs actions. Like I have already explained you, subject means is the doer of the sentence, or we can say who performs action, right? Next is the flight could not take off on time because of fog. Here we will underline the flight. Third, most of the rooms in the hotel were lying vacant. Now here subject will be most of the rooms, not only most of the rooms, it will be most of the rooms in the hotel. कहाँ के room? Hotel के room, right? So most of the hotels in the room will be subject. Stray dogs can cause serious accidents. Stray dogs, subject will be stray dogs. The little child showed great courage. The little child, subject is the little child. The water in the lake shone brightly in the moonlight. Here the water in the lake, subject will be the water in the lake. Next is the notice board is near the principal's office. Subject will be the notice board. Don't throw stones at the animal. Now see, there is no any subject. Ninth is noise pollution can cause a headache. Subject is noise pollution. Fruits and vegetables protect us from disease. Fruits and vegetables. What protects? Fruits and vegetables. On Sunday, a large number of people went to see the trade fair. Now, if you see here, subject will be a large number of people. Maybe you were thinking कि subject तो पहले आता है, right? So it should be on Sunday. Now see, I have explained you earlier, like subject will be who performs action. Now if you see this line, on Sunday a large number of people went to see the trade fair. Now here you just try to understand who went to see the trade fair, right? Who was seeing the trade fair? It is a large number of people. They are doing the action, they are performing the action. So a large number of people. Last, Mr. and Mrs. Mehta and their two children came to meet us yesterday. Now here subject will be Mr. and Mrs. Mehta and their two children. This will be the subject. Now see, Mr. and Mrs. Mehta and their two children. Now try to understand कि who came to meet us. कौन आया था हमसे मिलने? Mr. and Mrs. Mehta तो आए थे, but साथ में उनके two children. That's why it is subject. I hope it is clear. Now we will move to exercise D. It is supply the subject in the following sentences. If no subject is needed, just put cross. So what you have to do, there are some sentences you have to supply some subject, right? You can supply your own subjects, no problem. And if you think no subject is needed in any sentence, so you can put cross. Now if you see here, lives in a den. Now who lives in a den? Obviously it is the lion. So that's why we have written the lion. Are fond of eating carrots. Now which animal are fond of eating carrots? Rabbits, right? Rabbits. Is the capital of China? So obviously it is only one country, one city, right? So it will be Beijing. Don't make the beach dirty. Now here there is no any subject, so that's why we have put cross. We don't need any subject here. Fifth is was known as the saint of the gutters. Now there is Mother Teresa. Sixth is Sachin Tendulkar. Seventh, we don't need any subject. Next is E. Dictionary gives the meaning of words. Ninth is the Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Last is the fox is very cunning animal.